Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect cream for your soufflé pancakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are thoroughly chilled. This helps the cream whip up beautifully and quickly. Now, let's get whipping. Pour your chilled heavy cream into the cold bowl. Add the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin whipping on medium-high speed. Watch closely as the cream starts to thicken and increase in volume. You are aiming for soft peaks, where the cream holds its shape but the tip gently folds over. To achieve that perfect, fluffy texture, continue whipping the cream. You'll notice it becoming much firmer and holding distinct, stiff peaks when you lift the whisk. This means the cream stands up straight without drooping. Be very careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your smooth cream into a grainy, butter-like consistency. Stop as soon as those stiff peaks form. Your delicious, airy cream is now ready to be served. Spoon generous dollops onto your warm, fluffy soufflé pancakes for an unforgettable treat. If you happen to have any leftover cream, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For the best taste and texture, try to enjoy any remaining cream within 24 hours of preparation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.